In today's competitive business landscape, building strong customer relationships is crucial. Introducing ICT CRM, the game changer in customer relationship management. Powered by open-source CRM and integrated with Unified Communications Contact Center, it revolutionizes customer connections. With ICT CRM, understand your customers better. Capture and manage valuable data in one hub. Track preferences, purchase history, and communication preferences effortlessly. Supercharge your marketing with automation. ICT CRM integrates with open-source CRM tools, enabling personalized campaigns that engage customers at the right time, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. Drive sales forward with ICT CRM's robust features. Track leads, manage pipelines, and never miss an opportunity. Customize sales processes with open-source CRM tools. Gain insights with comprehensive reporting and analytics. Measure CRM effectiveness, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. ICT CRM features complete business process automation and integration of unified communication technologies to connect with your customers via voice calls, SMS messages, or WhatsApp platforms. It also enables conducting real-time surveys, managing appointments, broadcasting important notifications or invitations, and connecting businesses and customers in a way that was never imagined before. ICT CRM optimizes customer relationships. Revolutionize your customer relationships with ICT CRM and open-source CRM and contact center tools. Enhance satisfaction, boost sales, and unlock new opportunities. Experience the power of ICT CRM today.